Students, parents, and members of the community gathered on Saturday morning to celebrate the new opening of the renovated CiCo Ballpark. Jimmy Kaufman has more.
2 new baseball and softball fields were officially opened for business in CiCo Park this Saturday, with a crowd of supportive families in attendance. With a speech from Mayor Adamchak and 4 inaugural games to start the day, the event marks a big moment for the community, a moment that Parks and Rec Director Aaron Stewart believes is a step forward for the city.
Our job in Parks and Rec is what are people doing in their downtime, and ultimately what makes a place a great place to live. And it's things like this that make it a great place to live.
The pros of having new facilities goes way beyond the diamond, bringing benefits to all parts of the community, including the local economy.
Definitely helps increase the value. We bring a lot of people in to town based on these facilities. So there are financial benefits to them, but I certainly think the intangibles are the most important thing, which is building community.
The near decade-long process to renovate CiCo Sports Complex comes with a 25-cent sales tax installed in 2017 that's set to end in 2027. In that time, the sales tax has accrued $38 million for the Parks and Rec to use, $17 million of which came to building these 4 ballparks. But the members of the community are well okay with that, as long as the kids have a ball.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of research and confirmation that getting involved with sports or any extracurricular activity is really helpful for a child growing up. Confidence level, meeting new friends, working through hard situations. So I think having this kind of facility kind of just continues to keep allowing more programs to happen, more kids to get involved.
Though the price of new renovations for communal spaces may be steep, one thing rings true to the people of Manhattan. Nothing means more than community. In Manhattan, Jimmy Kaufman, Channel 8 News.
As teams continue to use the new facilities, 8 new tennis courts will join the complex by the end of the year.